Coming up today on YOLO Texas.
Adventure on the Creek is all about bringing other community members to participate in a little friendly competition.
We've identified a need to get our kids, get them out, get them active.
Honor is a great community and a great place to be. Today we wanted to give an opportunity to show some other parts of our beautiful city.
Think about what imbibing is. It's about that transportive experience.
Join us on our trip across Texas.
We are here at Rotary Park in Del Rio, which I like to say is probably the pulse of the city just because it's always so lively, and it's lively here today because it's time for Adventure on the Creek. So what exactly is this race all about?
Adventure on the Creek is a creation of the Education Foundation. It's all about creating an atmosphere for teachers to have fun and then bring other community members to participate in a little friendly competition.
Yeah.
So we do a 6.5 mile bike ride, a 2.75 mile run, and then the kayaking is about maybe a mile and a quarter or something like that. About an hour and a half of competition.
So we're gonna have her give the countdown. I think we are just about ready to begin. So Aerin, you ready to go?
Let's do this.
All right.
Are y'all ready? Race begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! All right, here we go. We got our first cyclist coming. Since we're spectators, we gotta do our job and cheer them on. Woohoo! Let's go! Yeah! There you go. There you go, there you go. All these athletes are super inspiring, extra motivation.
So everybody is welcome to come participate on Adventure on the Creek. So we want every year to get bigger because the bigger it is, the more success it is for our teachers and our students, and it's just fun.
So we just got word that the next leg is starting where they're transitioning from running to kayaking, and I think I found a good spot to take it all in. Really cool, neat event. I love how the community comes together to support everyone. I'm gonna do my part cheering them on. Let's go!
You know, at times I wanted to just stop and look at the view. It was real nice, super beautiful. Man, it felt great. I felt relieved. It was tiring. The kayaking was very tiring. Looking for my dad and my friend was there who ran.
It's a wonderful race and it's all for a cause, and the fact that you get to highlight the beautiful parts of Del Rio is an extra plus on top of that. So can't wait for next year.
Hey, I hope you join. Bring a team.
All right, sounds good.
All right.
Deal.
Good deal.
You know, after a race like that, a nice cold beverage sounds just like it's hitting the spot. What does Mesquite Creek mean to you?
Mesquite Creek Outfitters, we had seen the one in Georgetown and we wanted to replicate that vibe and that family feeling here. It's a tap room. We rotate through all of our beers and wines, so you never have the same experience at Mesquite Creek.
Do you serve beers here, but you said wines and cocktails as well?
That is literally an award-winning michelada.
Okay.
This michelada was submitted in the Lone Star Beer Best of Texas Michelada Contest, and we were the winners.
I grew up on sour treats, so this is all just hitting the spot. It's taking me home. It's actually bringing back a memory, only that this one has alcohol in it. So.
prepared for you our beer flight. So the one closest to you is the Dale Shine. Crawford Bach. The next beer, it's the Pickett Porter. And then the final beer has been our most popular. It is the Pineapple Cider from Austin East Ciders.
I also love that it's just not beverages and cocktails. It's also a place that we can shop, and I'm loving all of the vibrant colors, and I see a couple items that are already attracting me already. There's been an expansion, I guess you can say, to Mesquite Creek, not only behind me, but above me.
Upstairs, unique to our establishment, is an Airbnb, so you can stay, play, enjoy downtown Del Rio in an almost 3,000 square foot apartment. Welcome to the apartment at Mesquite Creek.
Thank you so much.
So our first room is the living room.
Nice, wow. I love all the natural lighting.
This building was originally housed a pharmacy downstairs, and then all of the doctor's offices were upstairs. We're in the reception room, which is now the living room.
And I love the West Texas feel that you have in here as well. I love the decorations.
And these are all of the doctor's offices, which are now the bedrooms.
Nice, so how many does it sleep?
It sleeps 8. We have 5 bedrooms, 5 beds. We have a king bed, 2 queen beds, and 2 single beds.
Love it. I love that it is its own bedroom, but it also opens up to the other bedrooms as well.
The space has 2 separate restrooms for our guests as well.
Oh my gosh, so much room for all the activities.
This, again, when you convert a doctor's office into a restroom, it ends up being this large. I want to show you the master bedroom.
Ooh, oh my goodness. This is, like, again, another great space that I would love to wake up on that bed.
It's the perfect place to just have some R&R before a big day.
Oh yeah, and seriously, the natural lighting in pretty much every room is just totally key, and I can see when you're having your bridal pictures, this is the room to be in. Oh my goodness, yes, I'm here for it. Dun, 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 and here's the kitchen.
Final stop is the kitchen. I did have one Airbnb guest review it as the best stock kitchen she had ever stayed at.
I mean, it is really, really beautiful looking, and I love that you just like keep some of that like historic kind of vibe to it. I guess, is that a way to say it?
This is the heart of our city. It's one of the oldest buildings still standing from the late 1800s, and I just feel so blessed to be the gatekeeper of it. I'm so proud to be back home and doing something that everybody can champion and get behind.
100%, we are totally behind. So thank you, thank you, thank you.